What's up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach and Kellen. We're out here at Expona 2024 exhibiting with our good friends from Fidelity Imports, and we're going to be featuring Per Listen as well as Primare, which is a Swedish company. We showed off at the Florida Audio Expo their SP25 processor in a 5.2.2 Dolby Atmos configuration, and today we're doing a 2-channel setup. We had their 35.8 8-channel amplifier at that show, and today we're going to be checking out the A35.2. Without further ado, guys, let's open this puppy up.
All right,
over to you, Kellen.
Yeah, so Zach stated we are quickly falling in love with this company, Primare. This is going to be their Class D stereo amplifier. We're actually running 2 of these and bridging to run more of like a mono style. So basically we're going to have 2 of these amps bridged each for the monitors, and then we're going to be running the SP25 processor, and that's going to give us the ability to integrate the integrate the subwoofers with the monitors with Direct Live. So that's what we're going to be showing off today, is both stereo amps and the SP25 processor. Really good stuff. So nice little presentation here with Primare. We're just going to set that on top. The box on top is likely going to hold your power cable. Looks like a little trigger cable, as well as some batteries for the remote, I would assume.
Let me check out that remote.
Actually, no, the batteries probably go into, oh yeah, remember what was the thing? Why do you test the outlet beforehand that he said?
We'll ask. So we have Terry out here with us today too, guys, from Primare Direct. This is a newer brand for us, so we're not familiar with every single aspect of the company, but we are trying to get more and more educated with each show. So we are now selling their brand. We have it on our website. You can see all the specs and details, and we'll continue to make more videos like this, kind of checking it out and getting hands-on with it. I also did a review video with our friend Giles McCoy. You can check out that video as well in the SPA25, which is their all-in-one AVR solution.
All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and scoot this out of the way and kind of semi-open this. Ooh, got silver, and just to make it easy.
The build quality on these are exceptional, guys.
Yeah, it's really good stuff. So on the back here, you have different things to turn on and off. So that's a sense for the trigger. If you want to do, 2 separate channels or bridge, that's what we're going to be doing today. And what is that?
XLR, RCA, normal, or you can add a 6 dB bump for bridge mode.
Gotcha.
Unbalanced, and then you have balanced XLR connections as well, analog inputs, and then you got your speaker outputs right here that'll actually feed to the speakers themselves.
Main power over here on the right-hand side of the back unit. Main toggle switch.
Pretty straightforward.
Primare logo on the front, and I like this too. So it looks really clean. The power button is actually hidden inside the logo there. So that is a tactile button inside their logo, but just really clean look. These come in silver or black. Obviously this is the silver version of that amplifier we're debuting today. So good looking stuff. We're gonna go ahead and move it where it'll live down for the show, which will be on the bottom here.
Yeah, this brand has received really great feedback, guys. All of our reviewers are loving it. Customers have already purchased it and falling in love with the sound quality. We're going to be doing a 2-channel demo, and we'll do a full video on this entire setup and why the manufacturers chose to pair this equipment with these speakers here shortly. But that does conclude our video on the 35.2 from Primare. Just a quick unboxing video. We're going to get into all the technical specs and bring on Terry direct from Primare to go over the product here shortly. If you guys like this video, be sure to give us a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach and Kellen out here at Expona 2024. Till next time, thanks for watching.